What's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to the channel where we talk smartphones, leaks, and the future of tech, and today, we've got a leak storm surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So, let's break down everything we know, from new chipsets, redesigned cameras, AI integration, and even possible battery breakthroughs. This could be Samsung's most futuristic phone yet. Starting with the display, a report by Panda Flash Pro on X Twitter claims that the S26 Ultra will retain the large 6.9-inch screen from the S25 Ultra. However, the bezels are expected to be even slimmer, enhancing the screen-to-body ratio. As for S Pen enthusiasts, there's good news. Samsung apparently experimented with removing the digitizer for S Pen functionality, but the results were unsatisfactory, so the crucial digitizer will stay to ensure a smooth stylus experience. In terms of design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will largely maintain the look of the S25 Ultra. But there's one small yet significant change. Samsung is said to be removing the much criticized, raised camera rings. Those chip-like elements that looked as if they were stuck onto the back? They're no longer there. The device will also retain its IP68 rating, ensuring the same level of water and dust resistance. According to leaker Vice Universe on Weibo, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature a 200-megapixel main camera along with a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens. Meanwhile, the 3x telephoto camera will reportedly see an upgrade from 10-megapixel to 12-megapixel. Samsung has used the 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor for the past 5 generations, so this improvement should be a notable enhancement, particularly for portrait photography. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to keep its 5000 mAh battery, though faster charging might finally make its way to the device. Still, it's unclear just how much quicker the charging speeds will be on Samsung's next Ultra flagship. The leaker also notes that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is likely to feature a slimmer design. Ice Universe also reveals that the Galaxy S26 Ultra's thickness will be trimmed down to 7mm, compared to the 8.2mm thickness of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The S26 Ultra is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor in all regions. Since Samsung's own 2nm version is reportedly cancelled, the device will almost certainly use 3nm chip, possibly featuring a special for Galaxy's overclock. To manage the powerful hardware, the phone is said to come with a vapor chamber cooling system that's up to 1.2 times larger than the one in the S25 Ultra. This upgrade could help lower temperatures, delivering more consistent performance and potentially enhancing battery life. Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that bell icon so you don't miss the next deep dive. And I'll catch you in the next one.